Welcome back to Vintage Farmhouse Antiques, and this video is going to show you this Orient design serving bowl. Make a very good fruit bowl made by Wood & Sons. This one's dating from the 1920s and we'll show you over it. Orient is this very typical chinoise Japanese style, cherry blossom, pagodas, setting sun, two stalks I think in the foreground, one looking straight at you and one taking off, and then the hatching around the borders with this cherry blossom infill again, and it's very nicely done. It's a very pretty pattern. The imperfection on this one, the condition note that we're going to draw your attention to, and we do list this in the China listing, is a little glaze imperfection. It's a strange one, this, not seen it before. It's like there's a depression in the moulding of the china, and there's a sort of circular glaze depression you just see there with a little bit of staining just in the base. It might be part of the pattern design that's just not taken properly, but I think that's probably a moulding problem. There's no evidence of it on the underside in the same spot. It's absolutely fine there. Orient marks on the base with H, and G Limited China marks. They were a London retailer that was being made China for exclusive sale by Wood & Sons. So it's quite usual to find quite a bit of Orient with H, and G limited marks on it. We've also got a date stamp on this piece, which is nice to have. W529, so May 1929 is the production period. A very deep bowl, just look at that inside elevation, with almost a flat rim, 9.25 inch diameter and 2 3/4 inches in height on this one. Make a very good serving bowl for a big portion of vegetables, or it could be used as a fruit bowl or even a key bowl for modern sort of uses of this, in really nice condition, with that one condition note that we've drawn your attention to. A rare piece of China Orient because it wasn't produced in vast quantities, so to find it anywhere for sale in this day and age is quite a challenge. And if you're a collector of Orient, then we've got just this one bowl available. We've also got a dessert plate, some side plates, and one single trio in a mixed combination of Wood & Son and H, and G factory stamp marks on there, all dating from 1920s through to the very last production was 1940, I think, is the last or latest piece I've ever seen with a date stamp on it. Thanks for watching. Link description below will take you through if you'd like to find out further information about this piece of china on the Vintage and Antiques website listing. Thanks for watching.